Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal with NVIDIA Daily Analysis and Assessment. Another depressing day for NVIDIA and overall AI sector. In this video, we'll discuss what went wrong and why NVIDIA did not go up today after Jensen Huang's speech. And what are the chances of NVIDIA going up this week? We'll also take a look FOMC rate cut decision meeting and the impact of this meeting on Nvidia and overall market tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Starting with the daily summary, Nvidia opened at 118. It made a high 119.02. It made a low 114.54 and closed at 115.43. That is 3.43% down. And if you take a look last 5 days, NVIDIA is still up about 1.24%. And year to date, NVIDIA is down about 16.54. And last 1 year, and if you take a look last 1 year, NVIDIA is left with only about 30% for last 1 year. So that's not a very high return for stocks like NVIDIA. And if you take a look last 5 year, NVIDIA returns is more than 2000%. So last 1 year of 30% increase is nothing for Nvidia. And besides Nvidia, the overall market was under pressure today. For example, S&P was down about 1%, Nasdaq is down about 1.7%, and Dow Jones also down about 0.62%. And you can notice one thing about Nvidia. Nvidia made a sharp decline in the morning, but it tried to make some recovery sometime during noon and afternoon. Probably this was the time when Jensen Huang was talking about Nvidia. But after that, it went down. So this tells that market had some expectation from Jensen Huang. So it started going up when he started speaking. But in his speech, market did not find anything new or anything exciting that can lift Nvidia stock any further. So it went down. So if you take a look at what Mr. Jensen Huang talked about today, so mostly he mentioned about artificial intelligence, good progress, and also he announced the upcoming chip for Nvidia that gonna be announced in second half of 2025. Okay, and he called it Blackwell Ultra. And he also gave some update about Blackwell chips. He said Blackwell is in full production and the ramp is incredible. Customer demand is incredible. So we know all of these, right? So that was not something new for the market. So after his speech, Nvidia stock went with the flow of the overall market, and the market decline was caused by economic uncertainty. You guys already know the tariff situation, and also some fear about stagflation. We also have FOMC meeting tomorrow. Let's take a look. So as you see, FOMC rate cut decision meeting and also Mr. Paul conference. So those two events will be very important for tomorrow, and market I think will be still volatile before Mr. Paul's speech, but after his speech probably market would understand what are their thoughts about inflation coming in next few months, and is there any change in their rate cut plan for rest of the year. So these few points will be very critical for tomorrow, and we'll see what Mr. Paul mentions tomorrow about economy. And if Mr. Paul says he's pretty much satisfied how the overall economy is going and he does not have any change in the plan for the rest of the year, then that will be a good thing for the market. And from his speech, if he does not look confident about the positive outlook of the economy, then market would further go down. So the choice of words and the overall impression that he makes during his speech is very important. Regarding the forward P, Nvidia forward P still around 32, so still lots of room to go further up, but all dependent on the uncertainty around macroeconomic situation. And if you take a look at the technical charts, so nothing has changed regarding the technical indicators for Nvidia. So based on the Fibonacci levels, the 78% retracement, as I mentioned yesterday, is 112, and after that is 101. So if market breaks 112 in this week, then it will try to test 101 level. And if market goes further up after getting positive signal from Mr. Powell's speech, then the next level of resistance is 121. And after that is 127. And if you take a look overall situation on a watch list, you see that all of the AI stocks are down today. The highest negative change is on SMCI, that is 9.63% down. And some of the analysts are still positive about Nvidia's near-term outlook. For example, let's take a look. This one, this says Nvidia AI boom just beginning as Blackwell gains traction and Rubin Ultra raises the power bar, says Genie Master. So if we open it, so moving on further, this one again regarding Nvidia that says Nvidia stock falls after GTC. Here is what Wall Street was not so impressed. Let's open it. This is very good comment. It says investors hoping for a surprise new revenue stream instead got an energetic a keynote that was lacking in fresh development. So market was looking for something new, something surprising, a positively surprising thing in the keynote speech, but it did not happen. So another one that says NVIDIA CEO says AI computing needs to surge 100-fold at AI Super Bowl event. Another one that says NVIDIA CEO says AI computing needs to surge 100-fold. So these are just talks, right? So Mr. Jensen Huang was painting a very bright future for NVIDIA and overall AI sector, but he did not present a real data in front of the media that tell, okay, the next few months Nvidia is expected to go this much, okay, or new business will take Nvidia to this percentage up, right? Those kind of things he did not mention. So all are just talks and talks and talks. So another partnership with Nvidia, and that is from Yum. So Yum brands partners with Nvidia to accelerate development of AI technologies for its restaurants. So let's scroll down further to see anything specific to NVIDIA. So it says NVIDIA launches a new silicon photonics product supporting AI. So let's go further down. Oracle and NVIDIA collaborate to help enterprise accelerate agentic AI inference. So this was all expected, right? Nothing surprising. If you go further down, NVIDIA to build Boston-based quantum research center to advance quantum computing with AI supercomputers. So now let's go further down. So it says data centers are still a huge opportunity for NVIDIA, says Deepwater Assets Gene Master. We already talked about this guy. Another one, NVIDIA Omniverse physical AI operating system expands to more industries and partners. Another one that says NVIDIA announces major release of Cosmos World Foundation model and physical AI data tools. So another announcement that says NVIDIA announces Isaac Groot N1 open humanoid robot foundation model. So NVIDIA keeps developing new models, so that's a good sign. So again, couple of announcements regarding uh, different products. So let's scroll down further. So another chip that NVIDIA is working on, and that's related to quantum. That says the quantum X chip will come in second half of 2026. So here it says Jensen Huang announces GM partnership for time. The time for autonomous vehicle has arrived. So let's scroll down further to find anything different for NVIDIA. So if you go further down, so kind of similar news you see here. So NVIDIA unveils NVIDIA Dynamo open source inference software. So another model. So now this one that says NVIDIA's Jensen Huang says GM has selected NVIDIA to build its self-driving cars. But overall, you see that nothing negative for NVIDIA at this point, and also at the same time, nothing big surprising thing happened for NVIDIA, at least during Mr. Jensen Huang's speech. So that's why you see that NVIDIA was not able to maintain its positive momentum. So that's all about news regarding NVIDIA and my overall analysis and assessment. So if I summarize today's video, so at this point, no big positive or big negative for NVIDIA. So there was no NVIDIA related thing that caused NVIDIA down today. Probably it's the overall macroeconomic situation and also the inflation related fear in the market, plus FOMC meetings for tomorrow. So market is trying to adjust its price before the FOMC meeting because market expecting that Mr. Powell will be little cautious in his speech about the economic situation and the future outlook of the economy. So regarding my stocks, I'm still holding my stocks. So my break even is around 135 or 136. Still, I am at loss. I would say a big loss, but I am not selling my stocks at this point. I'll keep holding it for some time. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you more in the next video. Take care.